Hello guys, hopefully this is not too bad. So I'm gonna do a motovlog. It shouldn't be bad. Trying to test this out. New setup with my action camera. Ooh, construction. Oh, that's so bad. I'll take my time here. But yeah, I'm recording with the Tascam DR-05 with a Sony mic. I have the recorder plugged into my headset so I can check out the audio if it's good or bad. It sounds good. Hopefully it's not peaking. Right now I'm heading off to work, so I'm gonna do a quick vlog and we'll test out this setup. Ooh, oh. So yeah, this is my setup. I'm doing an action camera with a recorder attached to my helmet, pretty much, with a mic. Hopefully the buffer is covering up the mic. It's not too much wind noise. So hopefully in pre-production on editing it shouldn't be too bad. If it is, I'll try to edit it, go from there. But yeah guys, welcome to Moto IB Motovlog. I just wanted to test out this setup right now. Oh, come on. Had the recorder for a while, the action camera too. I'm probably gonna upgrade the camera. It's just a basic action camera, not like a GoPro. I'm gonna try to upgrade to a GoPro. I'm trying to figure out what would be a good one. I did a lot of research, and a lot of people are saying the how come I getting gear? The GoPro Silver 4 is a good one. The GoPro 5, it's pretty good with no cover on it, but to record on it, a lot of people said it's really bad. But we'll see. I'm trying to figure out what would be a good price for a beginning motor vlogger. Then we'll go from there. But yeah, this is my Yamaha R3 2015. I use it to pretty much go to work, commuting. I think the audio is peaking right now. Hopefully it can cover up all this wind. But yeah, I use this bike to commute. It's perfect for a beginner. It's not too crunched over like an R6, R1. Commuting is pretty good. It's not too bad. Depending on how much you weigh. Ooh, that's bad. Audio, I can hear it picking. I'll shut up. You guys hear the whole just the bike. peak. Footage should be fine, I believe. But I can literally hear the mic being peaked right now. Just because of the highway noise, the wind. But hopefully it's not too bad. But it's, like I said, it's a test recording, so it's a trial and error. So we'll figure that out. So hopefully it's in the middle of the summer. I have until October, should be fine. So, but yeah, I'm heading off to work on my Yamaha R3 2015. It's a pretty good bike for commuting. It's, like I said, it's really crunched over like an R6, R1, comfortable. I have used this bike to go to Yellowstone for vacation with my friend, and both of our bikes are pretty much for commuting and comfort. My bike is, like I said, an R3. My friend's bike, it's a FC6R. It's a Yamaha. He had it for a while, but hold on, I'm trying to merge into this lane. But yeah, so we used those bikes last summer in June. Went to Yellowstone. It was pretty fun. Sturgis. It was a hell of a trip. At least we know for our next trip what to pack, what to not pack. We had an interesting trip when we was heading back. We decided to take a detour to a mountain, and my friend thought there would be a gas station at least at the base of the mountain, but there wasn't. There's a small town, but the gas station that was there was pretty much transformed into like a small little store. And yeah, we went through the mountain, and it was pretty much going on empty. So in that trip, we kind of figured out we actually need a gas little tank for our emergencies. But luckily, and literally right on top of the mountain, out of nowhere, there's a hotel and a gas station, one of those old style, you pump first, you pay, or how can I explain it? Literally, you have to like flip up the switch, pump up. It's like one of those like 50s, 60s gas stations. I was like, oh man, we were glad that we found that. Hold on, guys. Woo. But yeah, it was pretty fun. So let me merge in there. But yeah, like I said, I'm heading off for work. I'll probably cut off the footage pretty soon. I don't want to see you guys. Oh yeah, I don't want you guys see my work area or my area where I live. But yeah, guys, I'm just testing out this footage and the audio, how it works. I know on the highway it was way too peaked. Probably have to bring it down. Like I said, I can hear it in the headset. Hear a lot of wind too, so I'll probably have to tuck in the mic even further in. But yeah, trial and error. But hopefully you guys hear the bike itself. But yeah, so well, I'll figure out if I will decide to talk in the vlogs or just have the motor exhaust in the background while I'm just riding. I'm not decided yet. I'll probably do both. Update you guys about the channel, what I'm gonna do. I got plans what to bring you guys some content. So for right now, vlogging, it's not a big priority, but it's there, so I can let you guys know, so I can talk to you guys, so you guys know what's going on. And yeah, if you guys like this content, if you like my content, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. So guys, I will see you guys later. Ooh, damn, this guy. Yeah, be safe guys out there when you ride. So see you later guys. Peace out.